Hello, hello. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we do some little like I don't know. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video, but let's just act like I haven't. I've been uploading. Um, we really got much. I mean, there's a good amount of catching up, but yeah, I just been practicing this whole time, man. Because I know I'm not ready yet. So, so basically, for today, I wanted to see price go higher, right? But looking at the daily, like I wanted to see, price closed opened like really close to the previous day's high. So I wanted to see that get taken out and then go up here, but we're also still overall bearish. Obviously, I'm bearish for the overall. Oh yeah, and these were yesterday's trade. Just to show you that I actually took this trade right here. This was a beautiful trade, man. Split this right here. You see, I took a parcel right here, and the rest right there. So yeah, this one I didn't take this because it wasn't at the time window that I trade. You know, that's really just a reason why. But I knew for a fact it was gonna take this out. Yeah, that's about it. And okay, for this one, right? Looking at price, when I got to my charts, obviously price been taken out buy side this whole time. But like, I was kind of bullish bias today, but I can't. But at the same time, I could see both sides going, direction, and the bearishness was more in favor because look at this. This is literally a sell model. Plus we also have London low right here, which is probably gonna get taken out soon now. Yep, it's gonna get taken out. I only took this trade just to just to prove to myself that I believe this is gonna get taken out. I don't, it's really, but I'm all over the place, man. But I'm gonna explain this trade. So yeah, price took these highs up here. Okay, hold on, let me put this in break even. Oh, ain't never need to, but yeah. So basically, so yeah, man. Shit. So the reason why I was a little bit bullish bias is because of how we took out this low, right? But look at these wicks. Like price is not willing to go lower yet. All right, this was yesterday's analysis. This is today. Obviously, price went lower, and off topic, man. Like when ICT, when he teaches, right? This one thing when he says like the halfway wicks, like wicks is treated as fair value gaps, like gaps in the market, and I was like, man, what the fuck? That shit don't make no damn sense, man. I was a non-believer at that. I'm a believer at everything else what he teaches, but for this one, I was like, man, that shit don't make no damn sense. Well, look at this shit. You can't deny it at this point. Like y'all don't gotta believe me, but I plotted this shit way before it happened. Oh fuck, that's the wrong one. So just to show you, see that's the halfway or the consequent encroachment. That's what he calls it. Also, look at this shit. This the halfway of this wick, and look at that. Boom. You can't deny this shit, bro. You can hate on ICT, man, but you can't deny his shit works. Like fuck, like this motherfucker is something else, man. But so yeah, basically, man, like this whole trade, it was just a sell model. Like obvious. Look at this. This shit's too fucking obvious, bro. Like anybody that knows this market and ICT concepts can see this shit. Like it's so fucking obvious. Price been taken out sell side. London high has been taken out, and we have London low right here, and we are overall bearish. So that's really about it, man. Okay, and this isn't even the time window I trade, bro. I try to trade at 10 to 11, so I can still look for a trade here. I don't know if I want to keep this recording for that long though, for 10 minutes, for an hour long, because I'm gonna sit here until 11. If I don't find shit, then I get off. But man, that's about it, man. I just gotta wait. So yeah, this was a beautiful trade. We're 3 for 3. It's nice, man. It's a nice feeling, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been losing for so long, bro. Like, I don't want to jinx it, cause I be having these moments, right? But then, you know, there comes the losing streak for months. That's why I've been practicing, cause I need to know that I'm fucking ready. Like, yeah, yeah, that's really just it, man. I just been practicing, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been really liking lately. Like, I just started actually sitting down, looking at the fucking charts while it's printing like this, like fucking last week. I've been playing this game right here. I don't know if my mouse, that this game right here. I just be on that shit, get in the trade, and then just start playing again. And then just look when it's already done, which is not good. You actually gotta have the experience to look at a price like this, watch it print, all that. But yeah, man, shit. So for this whole week, I'm obviously bearish. What I wanted to see was, price come up here, or even retap this area here, and then go back lower. That's what I wanted to see. But this is cool too, It's all about just knowing the liquidity and where price will go. But yeah, this trade was beautiful, bro. It's one of the cleanest trades I've taken recently. So let me go over this trade and like, why not, huh? Why not? The main catalyst for this trade was this. When I saw this, saw a price that called this swing low, and it's a lot of wicks. Like, it's not willing to go lower just yet. So and also at the same time, I could see price doing both ways, going lower and going higher. Because we had this order block right here. There's a 4-hour order block, but you can refine it right here. I mean, price gave you a reaction right there. So yeah, I could have seen price come up here and then go all the way back lower, which obviously didn't happen. But I also saw the buy scenario. This is buy side right here. This is major. All right. With ICT's teachings, his targets are like certain highs and lows. It's not just random highs and lows. It's the main ones. The London high and low, AM high and low. Like, this is all New York time. All right. PM high and low, and the lunch low, and high and low. This is London high and low. So I was like, okay, price, price did this. There's no displacement, took out a low, no displacement, very weak. So I was like, okay. And it's a Monday, and we've been selling this like past week, and so y'all said, okay, maybe we gonna get some type of retracement, and this is exactly what we got. I went to I think it was the 15. Yeah, I think I based this off of the 15. We got a break right here, shift, breaker. Well, this is a different breaker. This from this move right here. So that's a breaker right there. You got this breaker. Boom. Go to the 5-minute. So I did this. I entered and no, actually, I was supposed to enter here, right? But that was before price tapped into a higher time frame bearish order block. I was like, okay, it tapped into an order block, which was the area I would look for the short. So I was like, okay, price, it might be a little bit more risky, So let me lower my risk by actually getting in at the body of the order block, because because this is also reactive, the wicks. So, I just saw this post on Twitter too. if there's like a fair value or imbalance overlapping the order block, you might want to get in on the wick, and if there isn't, then get on the body. And also we have this inversion right here, just all types of shit going on, man. Like a lot of shit going on to like tell you like the price, like the market's telling you buy this shit, bro. So I got in right there. Stops just below this 50%. Cause in my mind at this point, I was like, okay, if price goes that low, might as well go take these out. So we're already tapped into an order block. So yeah, and price didn't. This price is doing this thing, man. When this was my first partial right here, I took the majority off of here because I was already satisfied, and then I put stops to break even. Price came all the way back down here, order block, boom, nicely done. Oh, for this one, what was it? Yeah, this was a 15-minute trade too, man. So yeah, this happened like 8 o'clock. It was 8 o'clock when I was in my charts when I saw this. It was actually on my phone. I was on my porch, just drinking some coffee. Uh, so yeah, I mean shit. We're in a new week opening gap. Obvious ass sell side liquidity, London low. I mean shit. And some people, let's see here. Yeah, at least the equilibrium. I mean, fuck, bro. There's really nothing much else for me to say about this trade. Oh yeah, and also right here, went all the way back up here. Order block, 4 hour. Wait, that's after the fact. So basically, I just saw sell model, and the liquidity was just too obvious. I was like, okay, entry right there. Stops just above the order block. Yeah, just above the order block. And yeah, that was a quick one. And this is the silver bullet right here. The silver bullet trade. Okay, it just turned 10 o'clock. Let's see. I want to see price take out a 9 a.m. candle first before I consider any type of buying. But yeah, this is like a paper trading account. What the fuck? So yeah, this was yesterday. So yeah, lately, this was like just last week. See, this is when I was just fucking bullshitting really. But lately, yeah, this was last week right here. It's been nice, man. Yeah, I just want to keep that going. Honestly, but it's a little difficult. Cause I want to buy, right? But at the same time, like, what is this? Okay. So this afternoon session liquidity right there. A PM session. We could go for that. But I gotta see something though. See something nice. Hmm. Honestly, I would love to see price come back up here. That's a breaker. Yeah, same here. And then yeah, this low is definitely gonna get taken out though. Unless that low is getting taken out, I'm not considering any buys. I mean, it'd be great if it doesn't take it out, right? And then goes all the way back up here, then I can sell it again. But hold on. Where did I enter? I forget now. Oh, it's right here. Which candle is it? 54.8. It's pretty low. So about right here. Stuff's just above here. One to three. But the only reason why I took it was, just to prove myself that I believed that shit was gonna get taken out. See, if I take this buy though, right? I'm only gonna be taking it based off of just price taking this out. There's nothing else that's supporting it. Cause this shit is still, you see, look at this. It's a swing low on a higher time frame. It's also an AM low. So buying this is definitely gonna be risky. Definitely gonna be risky. So I don't know if I wanna buy this. Oh, fuck, man. I don't know if I want to trade for the rest of the day, man. This shit is selling like a motherfucker. And I made a lot of mistakes, because the price be selling really hard. And I was like, okay, we gotta get a retracement. And I buy that shit and I lose. I mean, it's reasonable to think that, but you gotta have the right criteria and shit. Yeah, there really isn't much that supports this going higher. Except for the fact that we took out a 9 AM candle. If we are going to buy, right, I believe we're going to get to up here. Then this will be the area I would try to see south. Yeah, I might have to sit out for the rest of the day. So I don't see much here. I gotta see how this candle closes too. Depending on how this candle closes out, I can see if it's going higher tomorrow or not. Right now, I have no idea. Right now, I can see it going lower, obviously. Yeah, I need more data. I mean, shit, we 3 for 3, bro. It's only the second day of the week. Cause like this would be picture perfect trade, but that sometimes it's too good to be true. Cause look at this shit. The price been doing that shit all fucking week so far. You know what I'm saying? Going back, boom, back, and boom. So for that to just do that, it's too perfect, bro. It's already took out liquidity. Unless price wants to go all the way back up here and take that out. It's very lackluster too. Let's see what's going on today. Okay. That shit's barely moving the market. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go, man. I'm gonna sit it out. I still gotta go to the gym. I got a lot of shit to do. I gotta go to sleep. So that's about it for this video. I mean, it's been like a year now. So yeah, I'll see y'all next video probably tomorrow.